Lo makhiwo obonako kulapha ababikindaba abahleli nabatloli bahlanganisela khona inhloko bona ngeziphi ezixoxwa namhlanje nanzi ezijujileko.
When the bullet was brought to the lab, it was almost after 3 months. Now one asked himself, where was that bullet between that period?
Ikomishini kaMadlanga izwe bona kwathatha inyanga ezintathu zonke bona ikule yesigidi esabulala usonjiniyera uArmand Swart ethunyelwe bona iyohlolisiswa.
He did satisfy the onus in terms of Schedule 5. That onus being that the interest of justice do permit his release on bail. There was nothing untoward or suspicious in his conduct.
Amaqwetha somabhizinisi uVusmus Matlala ayakhonona ngokuphaywa kwesibawo sakhe sebheli nabekavele ekhotho namhlanje.
They think we are scared of them. They are publicizing a bill that they think it will end black economic empowerment.
Undunankulu weGauteng ukhwele wazehlela phezu kwe-DA ngesitshukumiso sayo sokuthi umgomo wokuhlonyiswa kwabantu abanzima ngamandla womnotho i-BEE utshanyiselelwe ngomunye. Ngiyathokoza ukuthi nginifumane ngilindile. Hlala uledlela ukhona ungazwa ngobatsho sikhona. Nginguthulani Bongwe lotshani keze sindebele SABC 1. Ikomishini kaMadlanga izwe bona ekuthomeni kwabonakala ngakahabeki malungana nokuphenywa kwecala lokubulawa kwakasonjiniyera wakwa-QTech uArmand Swart. Lokhu kunjengobana ikulo eyakhutshwa kuSwart yathatha namkha yasiwa kubahlolisisi ngemva kwenyanga entathu ngemva kokubulawa ngoSihlabantangana ka-2024.
uBrigadier Mishak Mkhabela uvule ubufakazi bakhe ngokuhlathulula ihlelo lomsebenzi wokuhlola ingidi ezikweni lamapholisa emfundeni nezikweni eliphezulu lelizwe lizombelele. Ikomishina kaMadlanga izwe ukuthi batsho ikule eyakhutshwa emzimbeni womsebenzi weQTech uArmand Swart ngemva kokubhubha kwakhe yasiwa elaboratory bona iyokuhlolisiswa ngemva kwenyanga entathu uSwart abulewe kanti uthi kunobufakazi obukhona kilindaba.
But when we check the date when the bullet was brought to the lab, it was almost after 3 months. Now one asked himself, where was that bullet between that period? If the incident took place on the 17th of April 2024, but the bullet was only handed over to the laboratory on the 12th of August.
Umkhabela uphikise ngokuthi uCaptain L.I. Mokhwetle wafumana imininingwana ephathelene nekule eyakhutshwa kuSwart wenziwa ingasuthi kunento ekulu ngaphezulu kobuchapho ebabeka phezulu kwenkule ezisebenzileko.
In the ballistic language, when one is able to link a bullet with a firearm, that for us is a big plus for the case as compared to the cartridge. I'm not undermining the cartridge cases, but the bullet in most cases is removed from the deceased. So if you can be able to link the firearm to the bullet which was removed from the deceased, you have undoubtedly placed the firearm on the scene. And under these circumstances, this is what the member has done. And I'm sure if he did that with a mind to sabotage, his brains needs to be examined. There is something wrong with him.
Nakusenjalo isazi ngengidi sikhonile ukuhlobanisa ubufakazi bengidi ezasetshenziselwa ukubulawa kwaSwart kunye nokubulawa kwaka-DJ Somebody kwaka-DJ Vintos kubalwa hlangana ukulinga ukubulawa kukaTebogo Thobejane okhe wahlekisana noVusmus Matlala. Ukulalela kokomishini kuyaraga.
Isekela likaNgqongqotjhe wamaPholisa uKhassel Mathale kufakaziwe wesithandathu yokwethula ubufakazi ekomitini yePalamende ephenya ukuqaphela kwezokuphepha. uMathale kulindeleke bona ethule ubufakazi amalanga amabili ngensolo zokuqaphela kwenilelesi, ubukhohlakali nepolitiki emazikweni wezokuphepha. Insolo lezi zavezwa nguKomitjhinara wamaPholisa waKwaZulu-Natal uLieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi nakakhuluma nembikindaba ngoVela Bahlinze. Hlangana nokhunye Mkhwanazi usole uNgqongqotjhe wamaPholisa oselifini uSenzo Mchunu ngokuqaphela ekuphathalajeni isichema samapholisa ekhabesilwa nezenzo zokubulalana kubangwa zepolitiki.
uMathale wabalisekela likaNgqongqotjhe wamaPholisa ngomrhayili ngo-2019 usebenze noMchunu noNgqongqotjhe phambili uBheki Cele. uCele uthena kavele ekomitini yePalamende waphikisa konke okukhulunywe ngumchunu egadangweni lokuphathalaja isiqhema samapholisa iPolitical Killings Task Team. Umchunu utshela ikomiti lebona esinye isizathu sokuphathalaja iPKTT ukuthi phambi kobana thome njengongqongqotjhe wamapholisa isiqundo sokuyiphathalaja bese sithethwe. Nokuthi solo kwango-2022 isiqhemisi besisebenza singakaphiwa imali. Kodwa uCele utshela amalungu ePalamende bona ngo-2023 ikomiti kaNgqongqotjhe ebekayidosa phambili yathatha igadango lokuthi iPKTT irage. uMathale kulindele kubona ethula umkhanyo ngomsebenzi wePKTT nokuphathalaja kwayo.
Amaqwetha kasomabhizinisi uVusmus Matlala athi yasaqala isiqundo sekhotho ephakemeko eJohannesburg ngemva kokupha isibawo sakhe sokukhutshwa ngebheyili. uMatlala uye ekhotho ephakemeko ngeveke epheleleko wathi batsho ikhotho yeAlexandra ichaphile ngokumdima ibheyili. uMatlala uqalene necala lokuhlela ukubulawa kwentombi yakhe yaphambilini uTebogo Tobetshane ngoSewula ngo-2023.
uVusmus Matlala osolwa ngokulinga ukubulala ukholwa ukuthi akaphathwa kuhle. Nabekazibilayeza utshela ikhotho ephakemeko eJohannesburg ukuthi phakathi kwabasolwa abahlanu nguye yedwa osesemaseleni ngendaba le. Kodwa nanyana kunjalo ikhotho ephakemeko ivumelene nekhotho kaMagistrata weAlexandra ukuthi uMatlala ngakhwela isiphaphamtjhini abaleke.
We are of the view that the court made the right decision in denying Mr. Matlala bail, considering the severity of the charges and the risk to public safety.
Kananyana ikhotho ephakemeko ivumile ukuthi ikhotho yeAlexandra yenza iphoso ngokuthi icalele licala leSchedule 6 kunokuthi ngele Schedule 5 ivumelene nesiqundo sokuthi uMatlala adinywe ibheyili. Phambili uMatlala uthe batsho icala bekwelona sekuzinsolo kwaphela wagandelela ukuthi ufanele ukunikelwa ibheyili ngombana asebenzisene nabaphenyi.
Our case is that he did satisfy the onus in terms of Schedule 5, that onus being that the interests of justice do permit his release on bail. There was nothing untoward or suspicious in his conduct.
Ikhotho ephakemeko ijamile ekutheni icala libe kuMatlala alikazi ukuhlathululwa njengelubuthakathaka. Umbuso uthi batsho uMatlala ngungqondongqondo wabhadela abantu abaqatshelwa ukuthi babulale umlingani wakhe waphambilini. Kanhlangana nokhunye icala lidzimelele emgadangisweni wephimbo phakathi komuntu oqatshelwa ukubulala nemali ethunyelwe ngesikhathi nakuzakulinga ukubulala. Phambilini umbuso uveza ukuthwenyeka ngendlela uMatlala aziphatha ngayo ejele nangomazisi wakhe weSwatini ongasisemthethweni.
That cell phone in prison is a means to communicate to the outside world. And that is a risk to the state's witnesses. That is a major risk.
Amaqwetha kaMatlala athi azokukhulumisana nayo ukuthi bazokuragela njani phambili. Okwanje uMatlala uzokuhlala emaseleni kanti kulindele ukuthi abuyele ekhotho ngenyanga ezako.
Lenkundla lengiqinisekile into bani uGeneral Mkhwanazi zange ngadethanga ibizamnika ibheli.
Ikhotho icabangela abofakazi sizokhumbula ukuthi uKhet Matlala uthathwa njengomuntu oyingozi khulu.
Isinqumo lesithathwe enkantolo mina ukuthi lo ngusulawo ngaso akusiboni lesidingo ukuthi angazathola ibheli nakancane.
Akululanga masitholeka ngamatyala amaninzi. Sithembakale sifumane ibheli.
Akanyamezele pha wethu bezawulunga noba kuzothatha ixesha.
uMatlala kwakhulunywa ekuthomeni ukuthi unamabhasi amaningi. So imbongo zange ziningi. Umuntu abangatholi ibheyili ukhambile eSouth Africa.
Yazi abantu abanye bayarara or bayamangaza. Nabase bayenza izinto ezimbi. Ikhotho nayisele iba against bona cause benze izinto ezimbi. Bablame ikhotho ukuthi ithathe ihlangothi.
Umbono onke umbukeli SABC ayizokuthweswa umlando wokuziphendulela kombono umbukeli. Isekela likaNgqongqoshe wezokuthintana nezeteknoloji yedigital obuya belunga lekomiti yenkulu ephethe i-ANC uMondli Gungubele uthi amalunga we-ANC kufuze amkele ikomishini kaMadlanga begodwa afunde kilokho okuphuma kiyo. uGungubele ubethula inkulumo esikhumbuzweni sikamakekere womzabalazo wenkululeko osele aziyela kuboyisemkhulu u-OR Tambo nonkosikazi zakhe u-Adelaide eTambo Memorial Site eWatville eGuduleni.
Umndeni abangani nabantu abavela emazweni ngamazwe kunye nalabo ababuya endaweni yangikhabo nekuruleni bahloniphe impilo yomlweli wenkululeko okhabe angumengameli we-ANC isikhathi eside uOliver Tambo.
That's why Madlanga Commission is there. It's because ANC wanted it to be there through the nature of the constitution is adopted. So we should not therefore be angry at the manifestation of the constitution that you adopted. Now, we may say, hey, we wish this was not there. It's there now.
Undunakulu weGauteng ukhwele wazehlela phezu kwe-DA ngesitshukumiso sayo sokuthi umgomo wokuhlonyiswa kwabantu abanzima ngamandla womnotho i-BEE ujanyiselelwe ngomunye.
They've now taken a decision. They think we are scared of them. They are publicizing a bill that they think it will end black economic empowerment because they feel the only economy belongs to them alone. If it has to come to us, it must be stopped.
I-DA eGauteng iveze ukuthi izokukhulumisana nezinye inhlangano zepolitiki endlini yesiphethamthetho ukuthi kwethulwe isichukumiso sokungasemethembu lisufi. Lokhu kulandela umbiko okhutshwe li-ofisi lomvikeli womphakathi othi ukusungulwa kwesichema sokuvikela umphakathi esaziwa ngamapanyaza akukhambisani nomthetho.
We are not going to allow any vote of no confidence to be passed on Panyaza Lesofie.
When the right time comes, the EFF will be the one that stands up and say, we do not agree to this. If there's a motion that the EFF will advance, we'll have no any other right but to exercise it on our own and move on our own.
Nakusenjalo umeyara wekuruleni ukhombela amalunga womphakathi ukuthi asebenzise ukugidingwa kweminyaka elikhulu kwabeletha uOR Tambo ukuvuselela ukuzibophelela enkoleleni ezihle ebekazijamela.
We use this not just to lay the wreath, but also to renew our moral and political commitment.
Umndeni uba womphakathi ukuthi ukhambiselelo inkolelo zika OR noAdelaide Tambo.
Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa uhlonitshwe ngeziqu zobudokotela kezobudlelwano bamazwe ngamazwe eUniversity yeMalaysia eKuala Lumpur. Ngezucewezi kuhlonitshwa indima elinywa iSouth Africa ekuthuthukiseni zokukhulumisa okukhambisana nokuletha ukuthula nemithetho yezangaphandle enobulungiswa. Esifundweni sakhe sesihloko iSouth Diplomacy in the 21st Century Malaysia and South Africa. Umengameli kunalapha athinta khona umlando nebambiswano ngokomnotho okuragela phambili nokwakha ubudlelwano bamazwe amabili la.
Kuphakema amagugu esitshabeni seSouth Africa ngesikhathi umengameli uRamaphosa ahlonitshwa iUniversity edala kunazo zonke begodwa nesithunzi iUniversity yeMalaysia eKuala Lumpur. Nabe kakhuluma inkulumo esifundo ngemva kokufumana iziqu zobudokotela. Umengameli uRamaphosa uthinta indaba yobudlelwano beminyaka beMalaysia neSouth Africa obakhelwe phezu komzabalazo, amasiko nobuntu.
The bonds that bind our two nations together are not only bonds of friendship, they are bonds of kinship, of ancestry, of history.
uRamaphosa uthi ubudlelwano beSouth Africa neMalaysia solo busesemgogodla wamazwe asathuthukako.
At a time of global disorder, the countries of the global south must evoke and revive and further embrace the spirit of Bandung to chart a new course for our shared future. At a time when suffering, dispossession and denial of dignity persist.
Nakavala inkulumo yakhe umengameli uRamaphosa wabona benokusebenzisana kezefundo ukuhwebelana nobulungiswa emthethweni emalungana nokuchukuchukuluka kobujamo bezulu akangayichiye nokuthi kube nokuthula neragelo phambili.
Nasibuya entolo.
One person that shares the dream with you of iThembisile City.
uMasipalata weThembisile uxoxisana nabanye ababelani kunye nolutsha ngengomuso nemfiso zikaMasipalata ezifuna amagalelo welutsha. Sakwamukela mbukela esigameni sesibili sendaba kanti indaba ezi uyazithola ku-YouTube, SABC Plus, TikTok, X naku-Facebook. Namba sikhambe. Ihlangano engasebenzeli inzuzo iGrain SA Youth Development kokubambisana noMasipalata weThembisile eMthombo Muhle eMpumalanga babambe inkulumo-mpendulwano nababelani abahlukeneko ekubalwa hlangana uMasipalata, abafundi bema-yunivesithi, abosomabhizinisi nenhlangano zomphakathi kuThembisile eMthombo Muhle eMpumalanga. Inkulumiswano le ibanjwe ukuxoxisana ngebhudango likaMasipalata weThembisile lokujugulula uMasipalata lo abelidorobha kuqalwe indima engalinywa lilutsha lapho.
One person that shares the dream with you of iThembisile City.
Kuhlanganiswa inhloko lapha. Kuxoxa amajuguluko afunekako angavela ngokuthi bonke ababelani bafaka isandla ekubala hlangana nabantu abatsha. Isakhamuzi sokuthoma sikaMasipala lo uMeyara uLisetsha Khale uthi kuqakathekile bona ilutsha likaMasipala lo libe yingcenye yenkulumiswano ezizakwenza bona iphumelele ibhudangweni.
Silethe abantu abasha kule vision yethu yokwakha idorobha leThembisile, sibe sithole nethuba lokuthi sizwe amazizo abo mayelana nalendlela esingenzela ukuthi bona njengabantu abasha bathatha ichaza.
Umphathi weGrain SA Youth Development uFrance Mathibela uthi ngomuso lusezandleni zabantu abatsha, yeke kuqakathekile bona nangabe kuza kuba nomkhano bachidezwe eduze nabantu abatsha.
Kuhle ukuthi uMasipala ekhambeni lakhe lokuthi achugulule ikwandebele yokana ayenze iCity, kubalekile ukuthi nathi siGrain SA as a youth development structure sihelebe size nepublic lecture.
Zingikhuluma ezivele emkhakheni ehlukahlukaneko ebezilapha ukuzokuhlahla indlela yokuthi kuvule kumkhanyo ozakukhanyisela umuntu wonke ohlala ngaphasi kwakaMasipala lo.
Kube khona esikutholako esikuzuzako ukusivula amehlo in terms of information, in terms of knowledge, ngendlela eba collaborate ngayo youth together with the structures,
just to encourage abantu abasha ukuthi they must be organized, joined all these youth formations, but contribute towards the city so that the city is able to work for them. Kungabi Masipala ehlelile nabantu abasha nabo bayavuka bayenza into zabo ezingahlangani neMasipala.
The content and the level of engagement was solution driven and wasn't just about looking at complainants, but looking at how do we solve problems.
Okuqalweko nje kukuthi lokho okukhulunywa lapha kungaphelele emoyeni kodwa nakwelibhudango eliphumelelako. Indabeni ze-SABC ubikelwa nguPhilemon Sikhosana.
Kezemali iranda lehlile nalinganiswa nezinye imali ezinkulu. Namhlanje mbukeli siqalela iphepha lokuthoma le-English First Additional Language enhlolwa ngomhla ka-29 kuSewula ngo-9 ekuseni.
Iphepha lokuthoma linama-section amathathu. Section A, Section B, ne-Section C. Ku-Section A ulapho ozokuthola khona i-comprehension. Nikhumbule ukuthi i-comprehension kumele uyifunde amahlandla amabili ukuze uyizwisise kuhle. Bese imibuzo eminingi ku-comprehension, impendulo zakhona usithola khona lapho ku-comprehension. Bese nasiya ku-Section B. U-Section B ulapho sifumana khona i-summary namkha isifunyezo. I-summary kumele ukhumbule ukuthi kumele ulandele yonke imilayo namkha ama-instructions onikelwe wona. Nasiya ku-Section C lapho ku-language structure. I-language structure ukhumbule kumele ufunde ama-parts of speech nama-figures of speech.
Sasa zikhona indaba zeSwati ngesimbi yekhomba lindela zesizulu. Kiukhobongile.